Hi viewers, in this video I am going to show you how you can fix the problem, which is that when you try to use Grammarly in the Chrome browser of your mobile phone, the text appears which is to use Grammarly on your mobile. Install the Grammarly keyboard. So viewers, when you tap on get it on Google Play button, then the text appears which is your device is not compatible with this version. So viewers, this is basically due to the older version of Android. If you watch this video till then you will be able to use the Grammarly on the older version of Android also. So viewers, watch this video till then. My name is Sazaman Tanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started. Viewers, you can see that this is my Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime smartphone. If I go to Chrome browser, and then in the search box, if I type Grammarly and then search for it, you can see that the hypertext, which is Grammarly. Hyperlink for this one is https://www.grammarly.com. If I tap on the Grammarly hypertext, you can see the text appears which is to use Grammarly on your mobile, install the Grammarly keyboard. If I tap on the get it on Google Play box icon button, you can see that it displays a text which is your device is not compatible with this version. So how can you use if this appears? What you have to do is simply go back, and then you have to tap on the three vertical dots, which is also known as the kebab menu icon. And then you have to scroll down, and then you can see this text, which is desktop side. At the right side is a checkbox. You have to simply tap on it. After that, you can see now I can use Grammarly. You can see that if I tap on the new or upload button, you can see that it shows up. I can also tap on the new text also. Now, if I want to check the spelling mistakes, grammar mistakes, etc., I can simply type here the sentence or word, and then I can check for it.
For example, if I type my name is Sazaman Thanoli, and now if I see the suggestions, you can see it's showing up the correctness looking good, clarity very clear. There are other suggestions also, but you can see that the Grammarly is working.
Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.